Hello fabulous people, I'm Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Dyetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the April Delta box. For those who don't know, the Delta box is a subscription based box that is exclusively for the sorors of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. There will be a link in the description box below that you can use to sign up for your own subscription or to give a subscription for a soror of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. So head to the description box and get those details. So each box has a theme, and this theme is chosen, anointed, and equipped. What's in the box? The varsity midi dress and a Delta Sigma Theta shield handbag. You'll be walking in confidence in your varsity midi dress and Delta Sigma Theta shield handbag. You know that God has many more blessings in store for you. I love that. And the verse, there's a Bible verse that goes along with this month, and it says, "As for you, the anointing you receive from him remains in you, and you do not need anyone to teach you, but as his anointing teaches you about all." That's 1 John chapter 2, verse 27. Isn't she a beauty? So this is the Delta Sigma Theta handbag that's included. Tortoise handles. I like this. This is cute. It sits flat. And it also has a strap so you can carry it as a crossbody should you desire. The varsity midi dress. So it does have the shield. On the left hand side, it has like the varsity collar, and then as you can see, it is like a sweater material, but it's not abnormally thick. And then because it is a midi dress, it falls well below the knee, but then you do have these splits in the side. They're one on each side. So that is the April Delta box. As I mentioned, there will be a link in the description box below that you can use to sign up for your own subscription, or you can give a box to the soror Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. And if you use that link, you will save $10 off of your first box. So I will see you guys next month for the May Delta box, and until then, stay fabulous.